Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your rear wiper blade. So this is going to be a small wiper blade. It's like a 12 or 13. A little bit tough to get sometimes. But we need to replace, if you want to replace it, you're just going to pull this arm up like this. And then you're just going to twist this completely 90-degree perpendicular to the handle itself. And then you'll be able to just pull the whole arm piece off. Then you would get a new one of these, and then you go in the reverse order. You want to take that little bar there, and we're just going to reinsert it and then twist it to the right, and that's the way you would remove and replace your rear wiper blade on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.